Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to block people from seeing your Snapchat story. First of all, go and select it and find out what will be your story. Go with that, okay? Go from it and go on my story. After that you need to wait until it loads it up. Yeah, it's added to story. Go on it. Go on your story. Go again. No, this is the first one, this is the second. Now as you can see, the story is available. Go on the three dots line up to your story, and after that go story settings. Now as you can see, you have the option that says who can view my story. You have three options. It is available for everyone, but if you wanna block people from choosing by you that are seeing your story, you need to go on custom. Now as you can see, you will choose friends. For example, I just have these friends. I will just go this and go block, and now they cannot see my story on Snapchat. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure that you hit that like and share the video. If you have some problems, tell me down in the comment and we will see soon.